Tatanggalin ko yung Harit.
Okay, Coach, para hindi ka na mag-overthink, bawasan natin na isa para medyo bawas iisipin.
May 16 unique picks. Technically 15 kasi kalimutan na natin yung Masha.
Oo nga naman. Tama, tama.
Okay, kalimutan. Wag na nating paalala.
May war flashback si Midnight sa Masha.
Medyo mahapdi sa puso yun. Pero open ang karamihan sa heroes dito ni Kendra. Bahala na siya kung ano mamili. May 1-1 pa nga eh. May 1-1 pa, men.
Ay, sus Mariosep, are we ready for this? Actually, handa tayo dito. Handa ba ang TLID?
Handa ba ang Indonesia?
Oh my
God. Shoutout sa...
Oo nga pala yung
Oo
nga, tapos yung sentence natin, unti-unti na nating nabubuo, di ba?
Oh,
Fill in the blanks. Indo, game 1. Indo, game 2. Indo, game 3. Yung susunod, malapit na. Malapit na.
Mamaya na yun. May final announcement.
Di ba?
Ang saya!
Oh my G. Ayun, binana yung Jawhead. So, Harit Jawhead ang tatanggalin. Ayan na yung pick. Ayan na yung pick.
Sa kanila pa yung better marksman. Sa kanila pa yung last pick. So, mapipili nila yung matchup ni Aaron Chiki at ni Kendra. Imagine mo, kung ikaw yung TLI dito, sobrang laki ng pressure na nasa balikat ni Aaron Chiki. You have to face Kendra in a blind matchup. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung mga kalaban niya rito. Ang pinaka-safe is the Moskov. But even then, if they take up the Moskov here, baka 1-1 lang siya ni Kendra.
Midnight, ayaw mo na sa Claude?
Ayoko na sa Claude. Malaki galing. I mean, maganda yung skin niya, pero... Ay, hindi. Sorry. TLID. Go lang. Claude lang kayo.
Ayaw mo na sa Claude? Parang pwede kasi yung Claude sa lineup ng TLID.
Oo, Claude lang. Pwede na yan. Para I mean, pwede naman natin sulitin yung Axiata Arena.
Pwede naman natin sulitin, pero I choose not to.
I-retail! I-retail!
Bukas ba ang i-retail? Bukas ang bangko para sa i-retail. The question is kung pipiliin ba nila yan. They also picked up the Carmilla. Ito yung hero na ginamit ni Weedy kanina dun sa kaisa-isa nilang panalo sa seryeng ito. Looking to make a change in this specific lineup. Kung ikukumpara mo dun sa Zushin, I hear a lot of names and this is going to be the i-retail. Probably a winning lineup here para sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines, mga kababayan. Isa na lang ang ating iniintay. Ang katanungan ay kung makukuha ba ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines ang larga na ito. Ang sigaw ng madla ay isa na lang. Champion na tayo ng M6. Ang sagot ay malalaman na natin ngayon. Casters, pasok.
Magkakaalaman na nga dito sa 4th game of the night or 4th win rather. Tignan natin kung yan nga ba ang ating makukuha. Ang mga pala si Umi, kasama ko dito si Burrito at nakasubaybay pa rin kayo sa Grand Finals ng M6 World Championship kung saan isa na lang ang kailangan ng Pilipinas upang makuha ang panglima nating kampyonato sa M-Series.
Dito nyo na ibigay ang lahat ng mga sigaw, lahat ng mga enerhiya, pwede nyo nang ilabas dito sa laban na ito. Ladies and gentlemen, game number 5.
Ayan na nga. Game number 5 para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Ang daming nanonood, ang daming sumusubaybay sa buong Pilipinas. Ang dami talaga dahil bukod sa mga watch party natin mula Luzon papuntang Mindanao ay nandyan din yung watch party dito mismo sa studio. Diyan yung mga staff ng mall na nanonood ngayon sa mga kanya-kanyang trabaho, pati na rin yung mga riders na nakatutok ngayon na tumigil talaga ang Pilipinas sa ngayon.
Isipin mo yun, kailangan na talaga nating ibigay ang lahat para sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Gayon din naman sa Team Liquid Indonesia dun sa kanilang rehiyon na medyo medyo malungkot.
Baluktot na ang mukha. Kaya kailangan syempre ngiti ka muna, smile lang ng konti dahil maganda naman dito yung pick ko, real analysis medyo maganda para ang draft dito ng Team Liquid ID dahil ito yung winning draft nila kanina, Weedy playing this Carmilla, pati na rin yung favorite Hilda pick dito ni Aran, and of course yung Aaron Chiki special na Granger. Nandyan lahat ng mga winning elements ng Team Liquid ID kanina, so this is also their best chance na pahabain yung seryeng ito.
Alam mo, may mga nakikita rin ako dito. May gustong patunayan itong si Super Friends at ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines na hindi totoo ang last game curse
Oo.
para sa kanilang kupunan. And kung titingnan mo, sobrang ganda kasi ng Eve dito. No? Bukod dun sa poke na meron siya, yung real world manipulation din, no, na pwede niyang ipanglaban dito sa medyo front to back na lineup dito ng Team Liquid.
Oo, saktong-sakto din no na hindi ka rin pwede bigla-biglang damputin
Yup.
ni Ezekiel. Pero ito si Kirk, ibang usapan to. Ito yung medyo pwede talagang i-claw machine lamang ng isang Zushin. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat if you're an Edith. Pero kung may isa mang Edith player sa buong mundo ngayon na alam yan, si Kirk na yon.
O yun nga, parang alam din ni Fabian na kailangan niyang umatras sa reset. Ang itatawag dito sa pagong mula sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Pero habang nangyayari pala yun, si King Kong umaagaw na ng resources.
Oo, kinakain na yung pagkain doon sa may bandang baba. At
Oh,
Brusco,
no.
mapapa-flicker dito sa may bandang mid lane pero wala pa rin kills na nangyayari. Si Kirk ang hawak, papa-reset dito. Si Aran naman ang kukuha ng turret. Pre, yung mga explainer natin nagto-turtle dance, anong nangyayari to?
Oo nga eh. Tsaka ako magigets mo, no? Kasi again, ito na yung mga secondary tanks natin. So ibibigay na ata ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines yung unang pagong ng laban na ito. Pero kasi nakakuha naman na dun sa may banda. Nalinis na nga eh, no?
Linis na,
Yung
tol.
green camps, yung orange buff dito ni King Kong. At alam niya na lamang naman na siya. Tino mo, level 7 na nga siya dito against level 5 ni Fabian.
Oo. Grabe yung pagnanakaw na ginawa ni King. Napakabilis pa naman ng early game clear ng isang alpha. Kung papansinin mo, halos lahat ng mga level 15 record natin ay alpha ang may hawak. At dahil nga yan sa napakabilis na clear speed ng isang alpha, si Aran na ata
Bilis.
kanilang uunahin. Pero di ata sapat na kanilang damage for now. Kailangan niya mag-back pero kumakapit muna sa grass para sa lakas.
Yun nga, no? Nakalahati na rin yung energy shield doon. Habang Ezekiel nagamit yung Crimson Beacon, bibitin din si King Kong. Dadalhin din sa may gilid. Pero andito naman si Kirk to the rescue din with that damba. Ngayon sa may gitna naman, River Manipulation mula kay Super Friends. Atras muna si Wid at Aaron Shiki. At reset ang magiging call na magkabilang kumpara. Anong reset? Sabi ni Brusco, wala magre-reset dito.
Pina-flicker pa niya. Napakaganda nung trade na yun, men.
Grabe.
Dahil yung flicker, napakatagal ng cooldown yan kung ikukumpara mo sa isang Raging Sandstorm, no? Tapos mukhang lalaban agad dito. Brusco, may quicksand pa naman, pero hindi yun sapat dahil First Blood mapupunta sa kamay ng Team Liquid ID at makakagante naman dito si Kelra.
Yun nga, at saka sa ngayon ay nakita na natin na nakakuha na rin naman ng unang kill dito si Fabian. Well, maganda para sa Team Liquid Indonesia dahil sobrang hirap kapag hindi naka-early ang isang Hayabusa. Ako nag-Hayabusa ako kaya
Oo.
medyo nararamdaman ko si Fabian. Actually, napapakamot na nga ako dyan. Kanina pag silip niya dun sa babang farm niya, wala na naman siyang naabutan eh.
Kaya nga, alam mo, kahit hindi makate yung ulo mo, mapapakamot ka
Kamot
talaga
sa
eh.
hindi makate.
Pagkabalik mo doon sa sarili mong jungle, wala
Wala
nang
na.
laman. Parang naakyat bahay na dito ni King Kong. Pero si Kirk, flicker palayo. May Primal Wrath pa naman. Kakasanga ba ng Quad Shadow? Hindi na.
Inalis na. Hindi na rin lumaban dito si Fabian kasi alam niya na nakaantabay itong si King Kong. At isang Spear of Destruction lang ay pwede talagang ma-destroy itong si Fabian. Second turtle ay hinahatak na rin ni King Kong at nakapwesto ang Fnatic.
Oo, ito na nga, Turtle. Sisimula ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Ang pinakaunang pagong ibinigay nila. Ang tanong, yung pangalawa ay makukuha kaya?
Okay, ang baba na ng buhay ni Brusco dito habang Raging Sandstorm pinilid pa! King Kong with that turtle! Nakuha na si Fabian
Kelra?
dito. Magkilaban si Eric. Sige, mamamatay din. River Manipulation from Super Prince. At si naka-double kill na dito. Kagad itong si Kelra. Buhay pa rin si Kirk. Nadamba pa itong si Ezekiel. Napop na naman yung kanyang flicker dito. At si Kelra ay nakikipagsabayan na dito kay Fabian. Buhay pa rin siya. Pero hindi papayag ang Super Family na makakatakas lang basta-basta si Fabian.
Wala nang Quad Shadow si Idol.
Wala na.
Napapalibutan ka na. At mukhang may trade pa rin na makukuha ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines. At lamang na nga sila ng 1,000. Tingnan mo naman sa lahat ng pwedeng mabuhay. Si Kirk ng 50 HP. Pumer-skill pa rin. Nag-earth shatter pa rin siya doon.
Ganito katapang talaga si Kirk at nakita natin yung contribution talaga ng hero niya, no? Ay, continuous kasi yung crowd control nito. Kapag nahuli ka ng isa, hindi ka na talaga makakagalaw.
Oh.
And ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines ngayon, ito hindi na naman pinapagalaw. Itong si Fabian, wala na naman siyang aabutan doon.
Ang isang natira sa kanya ay yung green cap
Cup lang.
sa may Grabing pang nanakaw na ang ginagawa ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines sa loob ng jungle ng Team Liquid ID. Literal parang tira-tirang ayuda na lang yung nakuha ni Fabian. Tas si Aaron Shiki pa ang pulutan sa baba.
Oh my gosh! Napuruan siya doon ni Kera at dininis na lang ni Brusco. Pero si Brusco ngayon ang kanyang pupuntirahin. Andito rin naman si Kera. Reggie Jackson rin nagamit din dito ni Brusco. Ngayon ay hawak naman ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines ay medyo okay na lead at naagaw pa rin at nakuha ni Fabian yung kanyang purple buff.
Napakaganda nito para sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines.
Alright.
Real world na gamit na. Napilitan na rin ang Spear of Alpha. Pero mukhang may magandang trade.
Okay, Curse of Blood nagamit dito ni Luigi pero walang damage. Sabi nila dito nung walang damage. Andito ang damage namin. Dalawa kagad na patumba. Make it 3 dahil si Fabian ay nakadalawa din doon sa laban na iyon.
Grabing pakilig yung ginawa ng Curse of Blood doon ni Weedy. Ganun pala yung interaction when you're playing Zushin as well. Kapag na Curse of Blood kayong tatlo, tas may naangat na isa, sabay-sabay kayo tatalon kahit hindi New Year.
Oo nga, nabit-bit talaga, no? And ngayon, si Kirk naman ang bibit-bit. Nakikipagsabayan siya dito sa 4 na miyembro. Actually, 5 miyembro ng Team Liquid. Nakaiwas din, pero mabibit-bit siya dito. And Fabian, nakasecure na ng 2 pagong at kill din para dito kay Hezekiel.
Napakagandang play mula sa Team Liquid ID. Nakita na nga natin na na-cut ang gold lead dito ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines mula 2,000 ay umabot na lamang ng 800. Dalawang magandang play na magkasunod ang ginawa ng Team Liquid. Ano kaya magiging response ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines dito? Here comes the Raging Sandstorm. Tatama lamang sa isa. Pero yung Shadow Kill ay kakasa na rin. Pero hati-hati ulit ang magkakapatid sa Super Family.
Sama-sama sila dito pero may slow push din na ginagawa ang Team Liquid dun sa may top lane.
Grabe!
Grabe naman yun, men. Talagang palaban no?
Sarili mong orange buff ay hindi mo malapitan.
Nahihirapan na talaga dito Team Liquid! Pero napablikan rin si Super Prince pero hindi sapat. Nakakuha na sila dito ng tag-isa. Actually, 2 laban sa isa ang naging trading doon. Nakala mga Team Liquid Indonesia. At ngayon ay plano atas nila na dumiretso dito sa may bandang gitna. Buti nila nakabantay na rin ng Super Family.
Nagiging maganda ang laro ng Team Liquid ID. I think it's 3 plays already na nagawa nila successfully. At dahil dyan, almost back to even ball game ang ating natutungayan. 8 minutes in, ang nangyari naman ngayon ay Team Liquid ID ang nangahanap ng mga sunod-sunod na play kung saan nakakuha sila ng gold lead pabalik. Fnatic Onyx Philippines, meron din naman silang mga nakukuha pero hindi kasing laki nung mga nakukuha ng Team Liquid ID. They really have to find a way na bukod sa pagnanakaw na ginagawa nila ay makakuha sila ng shutdown kill dito kay Fabian na 5-1 na.
Oo nga ito yung nakakatakot. Pinag-usapan pa lang natin kanina yung snowball na meron ang isang Hayabusa na nakuha nga kagad dito ni Fabian. Ngayon si King Kong ay napaatras din at maganda ang ginagawang control ng Team Liquid doon sa may river paakyat. And gitna na ata magiging target nila dito. Fabian ay nakasilip din. Inaantay niya kung sino magre-react.
Tsaka maganda rin yung ginagawa dito ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines, no? Parang medyo na nagfa-farm lamang ang side ng kanilang gold laner at nahihirapan talaga ang side ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines na lumaban muna sa team fight, kaya naman ay mukhang farm na lang muna ang kanilang sagot.
Yun na nga, no? Agaw mo at kuha muna si King Kong dito ng kanyang purple buff. Lord ay available na rin para sa magkabilang kupunan. Pwesto na si Fabian. Pero nararamdaman niyo yung hampas ng Lord na yun. Uy, kalahati na to kalahati na.
Oo, kalahati na agad ang Lord si Ezekiel ang kanilang uunahin. Makakapag-back up pero si Super Fitz ang unang nawala!
Ako naman ay nakagad 4v5 magilaban dito si Kirk. Bumaba na yung primer. Right, nagamit na. Aba si Kera, pipirihin.
Wow!
Dito sa likod. Napakatapang talaga ni Kera pero bibigyan siya ng kupunan ng Team Liquid Indonesia. Atras sila dito. Lord ay nakuha na kagad ni King Kong. At kailangan na nilang umiska po dahil yung misyon nila ay napagtagumpayan na.
Nakuha naman na yung Lord pero mukhang papasok ulit dito si Fabian. Quad Shadow is still available pero hindi na niya gagamitin ito. Kakaibang galaw mula sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Kadalasan ay XP laner yung papasok sa likod para alagaan yung Lord Pit. Pero this time around si Kelra ang pumasok doon para subukan mang zone. Yun nga lang ay namatay siya pero magagamit pa rin naman nila yung Lord dahil 5v5 ang ating senaryo.
Oh, tsaka mababa rin lang naman yung death timer. So yun na lang siguro yung naisip ni Kera. Pero ngayon naisip
Ayun
din
na.
naman natin Onyx Philippines na bigla kagad dito si Winnie. Boy pa rin naman. Habang primer na nagamit ng leader King Kong. Shadow kill pinagsaluan ng 5 metro na Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Ngayon tumba si Ezekiel. Save it Fabian. Ngayon wala na rin itong si Aran. Dire-diretso ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Dun sa may bandang ibaba naman na magiging puntirya nila.
What a raging sandstorm coming in from Brusco. Indo, yan ang sinaing nyo. At kitang-kita yung pag-push nila dito sa intang bandang ibaba. At may Winter's Crown na nga rin dito si King Kong. Mukhang magpupush pa sila pero yung blessing ay nandyan pa rin.
Aray.
Nag-aantay na lamang ng ultimate sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Pero nandyan ang wave clear ng Team Liquid ID.
Makakahinga pa ang Team Liquid dito. Dikit ang laban. in terms of kill score. Pero ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines, ihinanda at pinakita na nila yung sabihin natin yung pag-manage ng skills na meron sila. Flicker Raging Sandstorm, Rearward Manipulation, sobrang sakto talaga dito sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines. And ang Team Liquid, kailangan na nilang piliin yung team fight na ilalaban nila.
At kanina parang nakakalamang na nga ulit yung Team Liquid ID pero binaliktad ito muli ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines with a great Lord play. Naging unfortunate lamang na si Kelra yung kinailangan humarap but nevertheless, nakagamit pa rin naman sila ng Lord doon sa may bandang ibaba. Wala mang bumagsak na inhibitor turret ay lamang na ulit sa mapa ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines. At napakalaking bagay niyan with our upcoming Lord. 1 minuto bago ito lumabas at mukhang kontrolado ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines ang River.
Yeah, and nararamdaman natin no, na medyo nag-struggle na rin ang Team Liquid Indonesia na humanap ng mga possible trades. Kasi nga naman ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines, nagiging wise na rin. Nagiging mautak na rin sila dito. Si Brusco na ang binibigay nila doon sa mga frontline or doon sa pag-check ng ball. Pero si Kerra, grabe naman, napakalarim, river manipulation. At si Ezekiel ay napaatras na nga rin lang. Pasok dito si Fabian, pero makakalabas ba? Yes, sir! Kaya lang, not for long, kasi si Kerra ay mga pana pa.
Sinundan ng pa namin, homing yan!
Oh my God!
Sinusundan ka pabalik, men!
Ang tapang din kasi ni Fabian doon, pinasok ba naman yung 5?
At ayan na nga, 4 ang dedepensa para sa Team Liquid ID pero wala tampake ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines dahil Lord ang kanilang puntirya. Nice one, Fabian! Sakto, my Lord pa!
Ganun lang Fabian, ganun lang. Isa pang ganun, boss.
Pero teka lang mukhang papasok dito si Weedy. Raging Sandstorm nagamit na rin. Aaron Chiki nakakapag-free hit pero yung Spear Foul pa nagamit lamang na wala lang. Si Kirk ay matatamaan pa.
Si Kelray nandito din. Nagamit na rin niya yung ultimate niya. At si Weedy ay namatay. 2 ang tutumba para sa Team Liquid Indonesia habang Brusco lamang para sa Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Pabuhay na rin ang Lord. Ang tanong, makakadepensa ba ang Cavalry?
Nako, unang malupitang depensa ang kailangan gawin ng Team Liquid ID dito. Meron naman silang wave clear.
Yeah.
Meron din silang range na pang poke. Kayang-kaya nilang dumepensa basta walang mamamatay. Pero kailangan mag-ingat dito ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines. 3K lang ang kanilang lamang. Kaya pa rin namang pumalag ng Team
Kaya pa.
Liquid ID. Hindi pwedeng bigla-biglain ang huling posibleng pag-push nila dito.
Hindi pa tapos ang laban na ito. Remember, ito ang kampyon ng MPL Indonesia at marami talagang kupunan. Internationally ang napatumba nila. Kaya ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines medyo nag-iingat din. May pagpasok dun si King Kong pero si Brusco ay humaharap na.
Ayan na, Lord push sa may bandang ibaba. That's 1 inhibitor turret down. Mid lane naman ata magiging punteriya ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Isang tore na lang ang matitira dito kung sakaling makukuha nila ang mid lane. Hindi tatama ang Spear of Alpha. That's 2 inhibitor turrets down at mukhang kakalbuhin na nila ang base ng Team Liquid ID. Isa na lang at mukhang babagsak pa nga.
Oh my gosh, kalabit na lang ng gatilyo dito and si Kelra pinipilit na rin abutin itong tore na ito. Kailangang bantayan ng Team Liquid Indonesia. Sabi nila, sige, ikaw nakaganda si King Kong dito ngayon. Pinagsaluan ng 3 miyembro ng Team Liquid ng Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Habang pasok ang Team Liquid Indonesia, remember the nagamit din.
Oh no!
Aaron Shiki nakakuha ng kill. Naku, delikado at ang Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Pero tinatapos sa ni Kelra ang laban na ito. At Kelra, kalma muna. Wait lang, may mga minions pa sila nakasama dito. Tatapusin na nga ni Kelra at ang kasaysayan para sa 5 feet. Fnatic Onyx Philippines.
Lakas ng Pinas pa rin ang mananaig. The 5 beat is secured. Nagdidiwang ang buong Pilipinas. At sa istorya ng Indonesia at Pilipinas, mananaig pa rin ang mga Pinoy.
My oh my! Matagal inantay ni Kelra ang pagkakataon na ito. After nung MSC run nung 2021,
Ladies
finally!
and gentlemen,
At ayan na nga, pupunta na tayo sa Malaysia.
what an epic battle for the final, the real grand final. They're staying at the top and finish to the top. Gentlemen, Fnatic Onyx Philippines, come and join us here at the front. The emotions is overwhelming, and guys, I gotta say, Axiata Arena, you guys are amazing.
You guys are the superstars. You guys are the best. This is the best M Series I've ever witnessed in my lifetime. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, your champions!
The fight is over. This is the new record for Fnatic Onyx. All right, gentlemen. You may now claim what is rightfully yours. In 3, 2, 1. Ito ang lakas ng Pinas. Fnatic Onyx Philippines!
Unbelievable! Unbelievable!
The 5th straight trophy for the Philippines.
This franchise has been in the grand final for multiple times. Now, after besting their new rival, Fnatic Onyx Philippines have finally finished their story.
It's been a roller coaster of emotions and struggles. However, Fnatic Onyx Philippines did not drop a single match this M6. Kelra, come here, halika dito. Kelra, congratulations. From an MSC champion, MPL Philippines, and now you are our M Series champion. What does this victory mean for you? From an M Series champion, tas naging MPL Philippines champion, tas ngayon M Series naman ang napanalunan mo. Anong ibig sabihin ng panalo na to sa'yo?
Una-una sa lahat, thank you sa mga pumuntahin, sumuporta sa amin dito. And sa mga nanonood online. Maraming salamat, appreciate namin lahat yun. Okay.
He said thank you to everybody watching here in the arena. For those supporting online, they really, really appreciate your support.
I have a question as well right now to Coach Why Not. Coach, all these sleepless nights, all the training, all of the work that you've put in, who do you want to dedicate this victory to?
Definitely. I mean, I'm quite happy right now, but to be honest, I just really want to go home to my family, kiss my girlfriend. I miss her so much. Hug my kids. But yeah, everything, it's for us, definitely, for the Filipinos out there, in the Philippines, but most especially, to my girlfriend, Dorothy. Thank you.
That's so cute.
I know, Dorothy, hope you're listening right now.
Yes, I want to hear something more from the player, Brusco. Can you tell us about your win? This is your first. You won in MPL Philippines. Now, you are the champion of the world.
First, I want to thank the Sonics fans supporting us, and I want to thank my girlfriend also watching me. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you.
That is so sweet and so cute. Now I think everybody is ready to see them get their medals, award prizes that they have won. So to commemorate this momentous victory, please allow me to welcome Mr. Cloud Chang, CEO of Moonton Games, to award the exclusive M6 medallion made in collaboration with Fairy.
Big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. One of the men that made today's event happen, and each medal, by the way, is crafted from rare gemstones featuring a mythic dragon motif. Stunning. Stunning.
Oh. They will got a lot of present. This is special to Smith for the champion, the world champion. Kelra keeps up jumping up and down. He is so hyped, even though he's out of breath already. This is truly an amazing victory for them.
The release of endorphins, I can only imagine what they're going through right now, supported by the fans here in attendance. It is a night they each and every single one of them are going to remember for the rest of their lives.
Yep, it's of one of the players, the family, the staff, everyone who helped the Fnatic Onyx to become the champion. Now they're here celebrating with a new necklace and something new from Fairy. Guys, so once again, we have the silent but deadly EXP laner, the Architect.
We have King Kong, the Sigma King, the Beast.
Super Prince, the Monster Mage, Brusco the Bruiser.
And not forgetting Kelra, the gold standard, the Filipino Savage. Okay, photos are taken. I want to thank you very much, Mr. Zhang. We're going to be moving on to something else now. We want to immortalize your marks have been greater than ever. Let me now call upon onto the stage in just a moment another special guest. Once the photos are taken, once again, thank you very much, Mr. Zhang. Are the photos all done? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zhang.
Now to call onto the stage for the next award presentation, Mr. Julius C., CEO of Fairy, towards your Fairy M6 Dreamwatch and your very own Fairy M6 Mythic Champions Ring.
Show us. After the medals, now it's time. The gate, the Fairy Watch, the Dream Watch, Spatial M6 Dream Watch, the M6 Mythic. Players, main players. All right, nice. The Fairy M6 Dream Watch feature advanced chronograph functionalities. So this is special just for the champions.
Can we get the starting lineup to come in front first, please?
And don't forget, we have our very own Fairy M6 Mythic Champions rings as well.
Smart Omega.
Meanwhile, the M6 Mythic Champion ring boasts an innovative design with a removable crown that reveals a hidden Land of Dawn map with 20 and blue and red animals that represents the MLBB turrets.
Champions only will have this. Things they will cherish for the rest of their lives. Reminders of this night, a historic night in Exakti Arena here in Bukit Jalil. M6 in Malaysia. Something we will never forget, and certainly the players, the entire team will never forget. I'm wondering what the party will be like in the Philippines right now as they're watching this.
I am pretty sure the Filipinos are ecstatic to win their 5th World Championship title. And of course, people from all over the world, the Fnatic Onyx fans, I'm pretty sure they're super duper stoked right now.
Rightfully so. Rightfully so. Rising to be the best as only they can.
Yes, now their finger, the winning finger, they got all of it. The ring, a new ring that show how shiny and how great is their finger, because this is the finger that make them won.
I know. I'm hoping it comes up on camera. I'm hoping everyone who's watching right now can see how beautiful and magnificent these devices are, going onto the fingers, going onto the wrists, and wearing it with pride, uniting these brothers for life.
And there you go. Coach Yap is completing his... Show your rings to the camera.
Oh!
Complete 5-stack, ladies and gentlemen.
That's his strategy. Okay, now the stones are complete for Coach Yap.
Indeed.
He looks like Thanos. I love it.
He does.
Different colors. These are green. I'm trying to get a closer look from where we are right now. So some of the watches, they've got a blue trim around them. Some have got green. They all look gorgeous.
They do, and they all look really amazing on our players. Definitely greater than ever this time around.
Neck, arm, finger, everything is catching, bubbling.
That looks heavy as well, I have to say. I mean, better watch your luggage when you fly back. Don't want to be overweight of all the bling on your arms.
They got a lot of things. This is super special. And of course, all of the family. Now they're celebrating together. And now I think we can say together because They got new watch. What time is it? Show your watch. Show your everything. You can say it now. Thank you very much.
Let's take a picture together with
Mr. C.
I think we should have a big
Mr. Song.
let's have a
take
big
pictures together.
group picture with everybody here. Okay, if everyone here can look at me. Okay, we're gonna take a picture with our VIP down here. Lovely, thank you.
Yes.
Let me get out the way.
Smile for the camera, everybody. Show off your new rings. Coach Yeb, show off your complete stack. Ring, watch, medals, and this is the moment for the champion. What time is it? Woohoo! Thank you very much to Mr. C. And finally, to complete the champion's gear, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Ellie Chin, Smartphone Country Product Manager of Asus Malaysia, to award your ROG Phone 9. The winner takes everything. They deserve it. Now, they will be more and more powerful with the new smartphone. Yes, they are all walking home with an ROG 9.
And I'm sure everybody in the arena right now knows how good ROG smartphones is. They are a mobile masterpiece that blends high-octane gaming with a sleek, modern aesthetic. These are the perfect phones for our world champions.
I agree, and look at them, so happy with their new phones to play Mobile Legends on.
I want a phone as well.
We want a phone.
Miss Chen, I hope that you can have a spare phone for us as well, please. It'd be much appreciated.
They all look so happy.
Yes. Let's take a picture together.
Okay,
All right,
one more
thank
picture
you.
together, please.
Miss Ellie, could we have a photo? Yes, you may sit in the middle with them. Yes.
Guys, let's get around. Show your phone.
Show your new phones, guys. Show your new phones to the camera.
Champion phone. With ROG Phone 9. Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss
Miss
Ellie
Ellie.
Chen. And, of course, for the giant check, we would like to invite Mr. Lucas Mao as Managing Director of Moonton Games to present the awards for the players, for the winners, for Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Give round of applause, everyone. This is the giant check for Fnatic Onyx Philippines.
Kelright's so happy he is embodying everything right now.
It's amazing. From
Champion,
up
guys.
and comers to the brightest stars, Fnatic Onyx Philippines extends the Philippines era with another World Championship trophy.
The 5th trophies for Philippines. They fought really well for their country. Thank you so much, Mr. Lucas Mao. And wow, present to present, to smile and smile.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen an amazing game, an amazing M6. But let me ask you, Axiata Arena, who is your finals MVP?
Whoa, 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 whoa! One more time. Who are your finals MVP? Is it? Is it? We're gonna find out in just a moment. We have to invite somebody else up.
To present this award, we have Miss Ellie Chen back on stage to present the M6 Finals MVP Award.
Yes, she's here. Now that everyone's ready.
The M6 World Champions Finals MVP is...
The Filipino Savage, the gold standard. Now, the M6 Finals MVP. Kelra's development, not only as a player, but as an individual, is unmatched. This is a much-deserved recognition. Our congratulations.
the superwoman. Kelra is kissing.
Thank you very much,
like
Miss
it.
Ellie Chen. Thank you. Kelra, come here. You know what, Kelra? Come, I'll go to you. You're now the finals MVP. Kelra, you're the only player in the world with an MSC Finals MVP, MPL Finals MVP, and now M6 Finals MVP. What do you have to say about your victory?
Masasabi ko lang nag-finals MVP ako dahil sa kampi ko, hindi dahil sa sarili ko.
He said that he just want to say to everyone, he became a finals MVP not because of himself, but because of his teammates. Do you have anything to say to them? Do you have anything to say to your teammates?
Sa teammate ko, mahal na mahal ko kayo, yun lang.
To his teammates, I love you all so much. That's it. Thank you, Kelra. Wow. This guy, he's called the gold standard, but I think he is now the greatest standard.
The GOAT conversation right now. Is he in that conversation? Is he in the bracket of GOAT?
I think he is slowly getting there.
I think he's getting there. And we're witnessing history being made. Okay, looking all these gentlemen, how do you think they're feeling? Honestly.
I'm feeling so happy. Just now, they were asking for more nasi lemak from me.
Oh, they love nasi
Yes.
lemak.
You know what? More nasi lemak? Okay, I'll get you nasi lemak tomorrow. Okay? More nasi lemak for Fnatic Onyx Philippines. Do you guys agree? Yes! Okay.